So to unclog your garbage disposal, first you want to make sure there's nothing stuck in there. You want to, whatever's stuck in there, you want to get that out. If it's it can be a fork, a knife, a little screw, anything that's stuck that's not supposed to be in there. You want to pull all that out, and then check. You run your water. Check to see if it runs. If it doesn't run, if it just hums, then something is actually stuck in there. You use this tool, stick it down your whole garbage disposal, and give it a twist, and it should twist itself free. Then you could turn on your water and your garbage disposal for it to run, and it should run. If it's still not running, if it's still humming, then it means it's still stuck. You put it back in there and free it until you unjam it. That's how you undo a garbage disposal.